Hey everybody, Kentucky Bob here. Well, me and the wife just got back from town and I thought this would be a good time to do my EDC video. So here we go. Well, first thing I carry is my fingernail clippers. I mean, you never know when you're going to be out on the town and break a nail. So there you go. Next thing I carry is a knife. My Kershaw piston. Because you never know when you need a good knife, or you get in a self-defense situation and you don't have your gun on you. Next thing I carry, of course, is my pistol. My SIG P290 in 9mm, and yes, it is loaded. I carry it in a custom Kydex holster that I wear outside the waistband, and I'll be reviewing it later. And for right now, I'm carrying Hornady Critical Duty 135 plus P. And last but not least, my smartphone is a Motorola Droid Razr Max. Great thing to have. I love a smartphone. Main thing I use on it is the navigation. We went across the river to Indiana to go to the Bass Pro Shop and didn't know where it was. Pulled it up on Google Maps and it took us right there. So great thing to have, if nothing else, just for the navigation feature. So there you have it. That's my EDC as of November 2013. I may or may not do update videos in the future if I change my EDC. So until the next video, we'll see you later. And remember, don't let your meatloaf and don't let your Wiener schnitzel.